In our last Defender audio breakdown, we walked you through 3 premium sound systems we developed for your vehicle: a soundbar, an integrated system, and an audio roof. If you happen to catch that video, you already know that the audio roof is our most powerful option. But what you might not know is that there are a few other products you can pair with it to amp things up even further. Well, we're here today with a breakdown, so stick around to learn more about perfecting the audio setup on your Can-Am Defender SSV. Jumping right in, we're taking a look at the JL Audio Subwoofer and Amplifier kit. This edition was created to complement 4 built-in speakers in the audio roof to deliver the most powerful, deep, and complex sound experience we offer for your vehicle. When you add the subwoofer and amp, you'll get to enjoy the low-pitched frequencies you expect when it comes to premium sound. Or in other words, this setup will have your back when the bass drops. But if you like what you're hearing and want even more power, you might want to spring for a second subwoofer. If you have both subwoofers, you can install them under the driver and passenger seat, or if you stick with just a kit, you can install it under either. And no matter which way you go, you can definitely expect a built-in look and feel. Now, before we jump into the next item on this list, here's your reminder to subscribe to stay up to date on all of our favorite Defender accessories. And moving right along, we have the Audio Roof Flip Kit, a solution we created so you can enjoy the perfect listening angle on the go and when you've parked your vehicle. When you're parked, the Flip Kit will allow you to raise the audio roof so your entire crew can enjoy your go-to playlist. Bottom line, this is a solid choice for social riders, camping trips, and adding a bit of atmosphere to any outdoor experience. So to wrap things up, let's do one more run through of your Defender audio options. The soundbar and integrated system are both solid choices, but if you really want to take things to the max, you can grab the Can-Am Defender audio roof with or without subwoofers, an amp, and a flip kit. The best option for you will depend on your needs and budget, but no matter which way you go, you can count on the exceptional sound you expect from Can-Am and JL Audio. Have fun out there, and we'll catch you in the next one.